Hi traders, today is 9th of April 2020. 2020 we are now live day trading for E-Mini S&P futures. So June contract 2020, this is a micro account due to the current recent margin requirement. So micro account will be more suitable for my day trading style. So for US session, this video is all about the day trading for E-Mini S&P. So based from my live Telegram channel, we did send out one signal to go long for this position at 27.96 and going for a TP at 28.07, which is a stop loss stood at 27.84. So we are hoping for a quick 9 points, which is around 36 ticks of profit targeted price level. So now we're still waiting for the order to be filled. This will be a pending order by stop limit order for this key line, and the TP targeted price level is this yellow line. So let's wait and see. I will pause this video and resume later on. Alright traders, resume back again. So the order still not yet filled. We I think a few ticks just right above the highest now, which is at 2795.50, and our Q is 2796. Is based from my live Telegram channel over here, and that's the entry for 27.96. But for current situation, the price did make a small pullback. So by the way, this is time frame 1 minute, and we can see that the price did make a U-turn, and then maybe as a pullback to gain the momentum to go for the upward movement. So we are still waiting for our trade to be filled. So any moment from now perhaps, and we'll hope that we can record it live everything. So let's wait and see. Alright traders, resume again. So at this moment we already the order already been filled. So this is a micro account for standard, already is about $50 in profit. So let's hope everything will be fine and hit the TP target, which is at 28.08, or 20. We might close it earlier if the trend is not so strong. Then we will close it earlier. If the trend is strong, then we let it go towards this 28.08. If not, then we will exit 28.06 or something like that. So at this moment we're still waiting for a big move on this trade. So let's hope everything works accordingly, and yep, let's hope we make some money before the Good Friday holiday tomorrow. Alright, there's not much action at this moment. We can see that the market move in the sideway around this area, and I hope that it will break through to the higher side. Once it's break through, then it will generate more potential for us to gain the profit. So the target still maintained at 28.07. So based from my Telegram as well, yes, 28.07. So doesn't look good at this moment, so have to wait some more. Alright traders, seems like the price move on the sideways movement like a crab. So now still waiting for this trade to trigger. Oh no, sorry, the trade already triggered. So now waiting for it to fly over. So 96, 97. So just wait and see. Hopefully everything works fine. Okay, now we have a good move. Okay, looks quite interesting. Still on the positive side, so about $25 for standard account. Okay, it's good to see everything's the candle is blue. Alright, so we are on the positive side. So let's hope everything's end well and fast. Okay, seems very hard for the market to remain on the higher side. It's quite typical. Okay, so doesn't look good. So by the way, still waiting. There's a link below in description. You can click the link below to join my live Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. So we pause for a while and resume later on. Alright guys, we have a good red blue candle at this moment. So price hit 2800. This was a very nice price movement. So we are profiting around 22 US dollar in profit. 20, or if you are using standard account, so you will earn around 200 for one lot contract position size, which is good enough. I'm still waiting the TP area or maybe exit early, but it depends. Stop loss can be moved to the nearest lower, which is at 27.90. So remove the stop loss. We'll resume later on. We can see now there is a reversal temporarily, and now back to the our entry position, which is still maintained. So doesn't look good at this moment. I already sent out a signal to my Telegram channel to move the stop loss to 27.90, which is the safe circuit breaker. If the price hit this one, it will be a losses, but it will not be a big one. Okay, so let's wait. Now back to the positive side, so we're hoping everything's back to normal, hopefully. So current one is 00 or 12.5 US dollar for normal standard account. $12, 25, yeah, about that. So this is going to take some time. After this large candle over here, we still didn't penetrate to the higher side, so we hope everything works fine. In case the price reverses to the downside, then we have to accept that it will be a loss trade today. So I pause for a while and we'll resume later on. I guess we are a bit unlucky today. Hit the trading stop at 27.90, and now the price reverses back to our entry level, and now moving to the higher side. Most likely what we can see just right now, try to move to the higher side. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. There's a loss today. Tomorrow there is no trading because Good Friday holiday, public holiday, so we will meet you guys on next Monday. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and there's a link in the description. Feel free to click on it. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.